Hello, this is Farmer Eddie again. These are the hornworms, at least the ones I can find. Found them on the tomato tree. That thing in the middle there is from space. I don't know if it's from space or whatever. Unbelievable. Check it out. These are the hornworms. Check the horn on their butt. Scary, man. I don't know if they're mating there now or something. Check Mr. Hornworm. See him now? Get a good picture of him. Wow, ominous thing. Watch them moving around. Maybe they're probably dying because, as I said, I sprayed them with the neem oil. Yeah. At least these are the ones I can find on the tree. Yeah. Alrighty. I don't know what this. I found this on the Yoko tree too. Maybe this came from that or something. There's a hole on the other side, like an exit or entrance. See it there? I don't know what this thing is. This is amazing stuff. These are the hornworms. Hornworm revenge. Hornworm revenge. I think when it's square, it's recording, right? Lord have mercy. I'll give you a good picture this time. Pick them off the tree. Check the definition of these things. They're so beautiful, aren't they? Oh, that spike on that butt. That horn. Mr. Hornworm. Wow. You have the others that are just chilling. And what he doing, just hanging out on that one. I think he died because I sprayed it with neem oil. With oil in it. See the Mr. Hornworm? This is what I'm dealing with. Yo, I went there. I don't know what this was. You see this thing here? I found this on the okra plant. Those hornworms, I found them on the tomato plant. But this thing is like, all right, we're getting a little closer now. Watch that. Wow. I don't know what that is. Looks like something from outer space. Just landed. I'll give you one picture. Trying to best to be still here. What is this thing? Is this from outer space? What is it? Pick them off the tree. Watch him. Unbelievable. Yeah, and this one he's sticking his head up. He's like, oh, watch him. Mr. Hornworm. Revenge. But I got to them first before they destroyed the tree. Hopefully I got to them in time before the tree is destroyed. Alright, blessings. See you all later. This was Farmer Eddie. Hornworm revenge. At least the ones I can find, and the alien from outer space. I was eating the okra tree.